Welcome everyone to this episode of the AskJasonGelios show. I'm Jason Gelios. For those of you new to the show, I'm going to be talking about what factors determine property value, right? For a property, whether it's just straight up land or if it's a home. There's four major things that we look at when we're looking to determine property value. The first one is the comparable houses in the neighborhood. We call them comps. Okay, again, comparable houses in the neighborhood. We look at similar houses about a mile or so out, depending on if you're in a busy area, and we look further out as far as distance, if your property is in a rural area or country. Okay, but comparable houses in the neighborhood will tell us roughly what your property value is. We'll look at things like the size of the homes compared to yours, how many bedrooms, how many bathrooms, how big the lot is, right? The land size around your home. We look at comparables to see what we should list your home at, or what your home is worth at that given time, and that can change, by the way, day by day, because real estate changes daily. Another one is the size and spaciousness of the house. This kind of ties into the first one about comparing other homes in your neighborhood. The size and spaciousness of your house, or your room sizes, your kitchen size, your bathroom sizes, all that plays a factor in determining property value. It makes a big difference if we're looking at a house that has, let's say, 2,000 square foot of livable space, and yours is, let's say, 2,800 square foot of livable space. Obviously, your value is going to be a little bit more because you have a bigger space, or vice versa. And then another one is upgrades and any renovations on the house that have been completed. So we take into account not only comparable houses, not only the size and spaciousness of the house, but also if you've done any upgrades or renovations on your property. Okay, if you've updated the bathroom, updated the kitchen, added new paint, right? Appraisers look for these things, by the way, when they appraise a home. You added curb appeal to your house, right? That adds value. Anything that you've done in terms of upgrades and renovations play a factor in determining property value. And the last one is age and condition of the home and amenities. Age and condition. Okay, how old is your home compared to other homes in your neighborhood? What's the condition of your home? Does it need a lot of work, or is it pristine? Doesn't need a lot of work. Okay, so age and condition of the home, as well as what amenities are available, that plays a factor in property value. So I hope you found these valuable. Get it? Value. Anyway, these are things that definitely affect value on a home. There could be other things too. You know what? Let's say school districts. School district definitely helps because home buyers like a good school district. Okay, so that could be a bonus one on this list. Otherwise, hey, listen, I appreciate you guys watching this episode. Go ahead and share your thoughts in the comments below. Tell me what you think about these. And go ahead and actually share with me the last time your house was appraised. When was your house appraised last, and were you happy with the results? I guarantee you, if it was over a year back, I guarantee you it's going to be quite different these days, right? So I really appreciate you guys watching. Go ahead and like, follow, subscribe. I already mentioned comment, right? Share your thoughts in the comments, and just help us spread the word about this show. I really appreciate you guys tuning in, and I'll see you next time.